Yeah, that's right, Nick. You know, police say that the city's ShotSpotter technology first alerted them to the shooting, detecting 5 gunshots here along 71 Highway just after 6:15 last night. Now, detectives worked for hours along the highway collecting evidence, including shell casings from the northbound lanes, stretching from 43rd Street to 39th Street. The $700,000 ShotSpotter technology alerted police to the exchange of gunfire before anyone called 911. In neighborhoods with these listening devices, those living nearby say this technology makes them feel safer.
We're very fortunate that we have those because there's been other incidents where the ShotSpotters have actually alerted the police and they were able to go and, if nothing more, to find the victim and then be able to take some steps to find whoever the person was that had shot that individual.
Now the sensors are deployed near the Troost Max bus line, covering an area of 3.5 square miles. The technology can distinguish between a car backfiring or fireworks and actual gunshots. When it was first activated in 2012, ShotSpotters detected 1,200 reports of gunfire in the first 9 months. Between 2013 and 2014, the manufacturer says reported incidents of gunfire in Kansas City dropped by nearly 26% in urban core neighborhoods that devices. John Pepitone, Fox 4 News, working for you live in Kansas City.